हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस कैन टेल बाय द टाइटल ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो, we are making a slime activator. And yes guys, I've heard you that you don't have borax or boric acid, but let me tell you guys, boric acid activators are literally just the best, literally the best alternative for borax or anything. If you have glue and you just want some borax alternatives, then check out this playlist. I have a lot of recipes for you guys, but today I am here with another activator recipe that you guys will thank me for. Like, I think I have made a video about this, but that video is super old and oh my god, I was so weird back then, but still it was me and I love my channel. And today I'll tell you guys how to make a slime activator without any borax, without any boric acid, without boroplus or anything like that, with just a simple ingredient that you literally have it in your home, because everybody has it in their homes. So if you want to know how to make this activator, do not skip and watch the whole video. And in this video I also have a proof, so I activate the slime and show you guys how that it really works. It isn't fake or anything. So now, without talking too much, let's get started with today's video and let's see how to make the slime activator. So to make the slime activator, the ingredients that you'll need is only detergent and salt. Like, yes, you can literally make slime with detergent, and I know for a fact that most of you guys watching this video have detergent in your home. So yeah, those are just the two ingredients that we need. And we also need some water, which obviously everybody have it at their home. So yeah, now let's just take our bowl and let's start making our activator. So here is our bowl and now let's start making our activator. The first ingredient is some detergent. Like, I've taken, I don't know, I literally don't know the brand. It was just in my mom's washing machine drawer or something. I just took it. I don't know which brand it is. Like, you guys can take any brand, to be honest, and just take 1 teaspoon of detergent. And also take a pinch of salt, like literally a pinch of salt. You really don't want a lot. I hope you guys can see that. And yeah, so now that we have added all of our dry ingredients, now we are going to add our water into the bowl. I think hot water dissolves it very nicely than the cold water, but it's literally 1 a.m. and I'm shooting this video for you guys. Let me prove it to you guys. It's 1 a.m. You guys can see that it's 1 a.m. and yeah, I'm shooting this video for you guys, and I just don't want to go and warm up some water and everything. I'll just mix this in the cold water. It actually doesn't matter that much, but if you have hot water access, then you guys can just add hot water. It will make the mixing process a lot easier. So just mix it now. So yeah, that's our detergent. It's not mixed fully, but it will work. I think I've made slimes with this before when I didn't have borax at my home. And people who are telling me to like talk in Hindi or whatever, if I talk in Hindi, then people who doesn't understand Hindi will not able to watch my videos. I think India is second largest country who actually speak English, and I don't know what's your problem or whatever, but guys, if I talk in Hindi, then people who only speaks like Telugu and English will not understand whatever I am saying. I love you guys so much. I have my viewers from like US and Saudi Arabia, like all over the place, so English is just easier for everybody to understand. And yeah, that's all. Now I think our activator is done. I'll just take whatever is on the top and activate my slime with that. Let's test this activator and let's get started with making our slime. Let's go. So now we have our bowl and I'm just going to add a little bit of glue into this. So I'm just taking a little bit of Fevicol, and I'll take a little bit of watercolors, and I think this is a nice red. Now let's mix our red watercolor. So now let's mix our red watercolor with, oh my god, it's so pretty. So now our watercolors are mixed into our slime. It is looking pretty good, and I'm just making it for the sake of it. I'll just add a little bit of this glitter because I want this slime to be like super pretty. So yeah, let's add a little bit of glitter. Just a little bit, not a lot. Yeah, just a little bit. Now let's mix. Mix, mix, mix. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Oh my god. You guys can't even see the glitters anymore. Wow. I'll just add a little bit more. I think I should add red ones. Just a little bit more. Oh my god, that's a lot. They're just a little bit more visible than the silver ones. So yeah, I think they are, yeah, they'll be a little bit more visible. No, they aren't. Whatever. But yeah, now let's just start activating our slime, shall we? So now let's start activating our slime with the things that are on the top. Just take very little and start activating. Just because this is like super, you guys can see that it's literally activating as we are speaking. It's like super strong. We don't want to add too much. As you guys can see, it pretty much activates on itself. Just keep, you know, doing this, and yeah, I think I'll just fast forward it for you guys more. So when it's in this state, you don't want to add any more activator. You just take the slime and just make sure you get it off the sides, and yeah, just knead it. Just knead the slime a little bit more. It will come together on itself. You don't have to activate more, otherwise it will, you know, get a lot of water inside it and it will leave water behind it, and we really don't want that to happen to our slime. So fantastic. As you guys can see, this is how our slime looks. Oh my god, you guys, it actually turned out super nice. And usually detergent slimes are a little hard to work with, but it's really worth it. It can actually, you know, transform your slime. If you don't have any activator, this, I think I can guarantee you that this is probably in your house and you guys can make slime with it. And you guys can make such a pretty slime with it. You have no idea. You just need a little bit of glue and then your slime is ready. So what do you guys think? Is it cute? Is it nice? Let me know in the comment section below, and also suggest me more, you know, slime recipes that you want to see in the future and everything like that. So yeah guys, that was all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you really liked it. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.